how to set your spawn point in Hytale. So it's pretty simple. All you're gonna have to do is to break some bushes to get this plant fiber, and if you press tab on your keyboard, we want to create this crude bedroll. So you will need 3 plant fibers and 2 light height. Plant fiber from bushes and light height from taking out chickens or rats, etc., small animals, and then you can create this bedroll. And if you want to create your spawn point, you have to place it and press F to interact, and you can create your respawn name. Click on confirm, and as you can see, you have set a new respawn point. Next you can press F to interact and you will lay down, but now it will do nothing. Only if you are in the nighttime you can skip the night. So that's basically all we're gonna have to do. Leave a silly comment in your comment section and don't subscribe.